Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to decline payment on Cash App, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, I'm going to explain something, okay? If you're a sender, the instant payments usually cannot be canceled. But if you're a recipient, you can refund the payment in the activity tab, okay? So, so I'm going to show you how you can cancel this payment as a recipient, okay? How can you reject this payment? So first things first, guys, you want to open your Cash App, okay? Open your app and you're going to get this in your home screen. Just open this up, make sure you're logged in. And if you are logged in, you're going to see this option right here, this clock option on the top right corner. So you want to click on that. That is the activity tab. Click on that, and then you're going to see the different payments you have made. Okay, you're going to see the name of the sender, the amount, the time of payment. Okay, so you can click on and select the payment that you want to cancel. Let's see, you want to cancel this $5 one. You can click on that, and this will open up a new window with more information. Okay, guys. For example, like here. And what you want to do is click on these three dots here, okay? This will open both options that regard the specific payment, the more options, okay? And you're going to see this option right here, guys, refund. All we have to do is click on refund, okay? Click on refund, and then you're going to get a prompt where you'll be asked to confirm if you want to send the payment back to sender. Once you click OK, guys, this the sender will be refunded their money. It's actually that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want, you can subscribe.